Hi there. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can deal with a thumper in little company easily, solo, like damageless, easy. So basically in the previous version, like the exploit to kill most monsters was just to get on these yellow bars and they couldn't really get you here and you can damage them like this. But now it's fixed, you're gonna die like this. The new exploit is when you just find this staircase room, and in this staircase you can jump here and up here, and from here basically you can damage any monster, but they can't damage you. It works 100% with the thumper, with the spider. I don't know if it works with the bracken, but yeah, you should try it out yourself. Just lure them into this staircase room and yeah, something like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.